Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening both Excel workbooks and enabling editing so links can update. Once done, compare headers and ensure data types match. Text versus number mismatches break formulas. You choose a join key, an ID, or unique email because it determines reliable matches. Next, save each file in a fixed folder to prevent broken links. Finally, name critical ranges or convert tables so formulas reference stable names rather than shifting cell addresses. You now create the actual link using the right lookup for your Excel. If you have XLOOKUP, use it for bidirectional search, otherwise combine index and match for reliability. Reference the other workbook using its table name or an explicit path so links survive saves. Use absolute references with $ to lock columns or rows when copying formulas. Once set, copy formulas down and immediately validate by spot-checking the first 10 results to confirm matches and catch type mismatches. You finish by deciding whether to keep live links or create a static snapshot. Copy and paste values to freeze results. Once done, use data right arrow edit links to refresh, change source, or break links if files moved. Make sure to save both workbooks after updating. If errors appear, check for # caused by mismatched data types or stray spaces. Use trim and value to normalize fields. And if updates stop, verify file paths and that both files are accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.